interrupt ha. Kasi hindi ko na-express ito eh. Imagine, a defense secretary with an exit plan. Tangina, di ba? Ibig mo sa lahat ng patang-tapang-tapangan mo dyan, ang ina mo gibo, di ba? Kinalaban mo ang China, nagtapang-tapangan ka, nagpakita ka ng itlog mo. Eh meron ka palang exit plan, gago ka pala. Di ba?
Agree. I agree.
What kind of cabinet secretary will have an exit plan? No, don't have an exit plan. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, aalis ka. Dapat dito ka, we all sync together. Di ba ganun yung commitment mo? Pero walang yakang sinungaling na gibo. No, I don't even believe you. Hanggang ngayon, Maltese ka.
Yeah.
You're a liar like your principal. You have, imagine, a defense secretary with an exit plan.
Correct.
Everything that he does, his policy, his whatever is suspect because at the back, he has a plan B. Correct. Ako dito. Magtatapang-tapangan ako, magtatapon ako ng mga bomba here and left and right kasi aalis ako. Walang yak, ibo. Napakawalang yak, ka.
Yeah.